SY Sublime, and today I'm going to replace my Excell propane water heater. So I'm going to do an unboxing of it real quick. So I got a couple of batteries in with it, and so I have another one of these in here. I have another one. I'm going to replace this water heater because there's a deflector too. So I bought an Excell America water heater 4 years ago. Oh, shoot. And there it is in here. It's been taken off. I tried to flush out the there's a magnet here, that black thing is a magnet, and there's a screen there that you have to clean out for debris, but apparently that wasn't enough to clean it, and it's not producing any hot water. So that's the old one. I'm going to try and get it sent in and have it repaired, maybe flushed out and repaired. Maybe it's the thermostat, something like that, it's broken. So anyway, I'm going to open this up. This is a totally different design. This is a totally new design for Excell America. It's a little bit, looks like it's a little bit bigger. So, yeah. So that's it. So I got that, and then I've got to get in and do the undo the other one. So I'm gonna get in and do that. So first of all, check that your gas is disconnected. The gas is disconnected, and then I'm going to disconnect the gas. My gas is turned off, and I'm going to just disconnect it from in there. I know the gas is turned off. Now I'm going to shut the water off. Turn both water pumps off. So I've got the water shut off. Twist this. Okay, got no water coming out. That's good. And then I got to get a wrench. Where is a wrench? So I got to get in there and I got to get a driver drill. A driver. Get the fuck out of here. I don't give a fuck. Oop. Okay, so I'm gonna get in here and get this done. Alright, so I'm in here now, so I'm going to disconnect the gas and the out water and the in water, and then that's it. So I'm going to have to do that one hand. I can't do that one-handed, so I'll get back to you when I get that done. Okay, I got the tubes, the pipes undone, the gas, the water in, the water out, inlet done, the gas taken off. So now I'm just going to lift the unit off, and then the screw at the bottom too. I got the unit off, so that's pretty much the unit, the old unit right there. I'm going to take the batteries out. Okay, so that's that. So yeah, so I'm going to send this off to get fixed. Okay, I got it mounted, and got it mounted on top and the bottom. So now I'm going to have to hook up the water lines, and so they're so it's pretty narrow. Jeez, I wonder if they'll go on there. Anyway, so I have to do that with 2 hands, so I'll be right back once I get those water lines hooked up. Okay, I've got it installed. I've got the water intake, the outlet water, and the gas line hooked up. Now I've just got to hook up the gas line to the propane tank and go inside and turn it on and see how hot this water gets. This is a slightly bigger, longer unit than the last one I got, so hopefully it'll work better. It's got a 3-year warranty, a 1-year warranty on it, but the heat exchanger has a 5-year warranty. So anyway, so let's go get outside and get this thing fired up. Alright, let's see if it works. Oh, I'm going to turn my power water back on. Okay, let's see if it works. Hear the click. The unit just came on. Blowing water through the thing. Oh, I feel like it's warm. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's hot. Oh yeah. Still blowing air through it. Oh yeah, that gets real hot. Alright. Woo! Got hot water. Still probably get some more air in there some way. Oh yeah, that's hot. That's over 110 degrees. Ooh, barely touch it. Oh yeah, now we got hot water. Alright. This is SY Sublime. I just installed my Excell America tankless water heater. And this is the old one. I'm going to have to send that back in to have that repaired. See if I can repair it. And I might use that one for the deck shower. I'm going to put a deck shower in here. About there, I'm going to put a deck shower in there, so maybe I might put this one just specifically for the deck shower. I'll see, we'll see. If not, yeah, as my saying goes, 2 is 1, 1 is none. So maybe I'll just have a second backup hot water service. So yeah, so this is SY Sublime. Fair winds, temperate seas, sandy toes and margaritas.